Hello, this is Online Queues, YouTube channel for online queries. In this video, I will show you how you can start secret conversation on Facebook Messenger and send disappearing messages. Messenger's secret conversation feature is a legitimately safe way to chat with friends and colleagues. Secret conversations are protected with end-to-end encryption, meaning that no one outside the chat can read what's inside. In order to turn on secret conversation, first open the chat box with someone. Then tap on I icon at the top. Scroll down and then select Go to Secret Conversation. A separate chat box with the lock icon will open for secret conversation. Now you can turn on disappearing messages from here. Tap on I icon at the top, then select Disappearing Messages. You can choose the time from the list. If you select 10 seconds, the messages will be automatically deleted in 10 seconds after the other person has read it, and their message will be deleted once you have seen it. You can see the countdown timer in the message. You can just go back and tap on your normal conversation box to start a normal conversation on Messenger. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe.